My name is Brojan Kumar Singha. I'm born in Assam, but regarding this instrument, I went to Manipur to learn. On behalf of Latasna Devi's team, I would like to introduce all the martial art and all the drummers. His name is Gobind. He's a martial art artist. And Mr. Prem Kumar is a drummer from Manipur. And then Mr. Birbal is a martial art artist from Manipur. I was in the Rajasthan in the dance department, Banastali University. After that, 2009, I resigned from my job and I started my group to tour all over India and abroad. Maybe more than 25 countries we travel.
It is my pleasure to welcome you all to the 14th edition of Sangamam, a celebration of the cultural richness of Manipur today. By Shri S.T. Shibulal and Srimati Kumari Shibulal, SFPI has spent over 25 years making an impact while also preserving and promoting classical and folk arts across the country.
So we now present thang-ta.